Right. You are right about the answer. Please write your name here. Meet. Nice to meet you. Do you eat meat? Piece. Can I have a piece of cake? We all want peace in the world. See. I see a bird in the sky. We swam in the sea yesterday. Plane. She wore a plain white dress. The plane landed safely. Flower. That flower smells amazing. We need flour to bake the cake. 2. I want to go too. I have 2 cats. Bear.
We saw a bear in the forest.
I walked on the bare floor.
Hair.
Your hair looks great today. A hare ran across the field.
Hour.
We'll leave in an hour. This is our favorite park.